Good afternoon, this is Colton doing a digital roof inspection for a homeowner out in the North County area. During these roof inspections, what I like to do is get research on how old the home is. This home was built in 2011, so it is not a terribly old home, so it makes me question when the homeowner starts to get leaks. This home had solar installed on it by Sunrun. It is a Capistrano concrete tile roof. That basically means it's got those waves in it. Concrete tile lasts basically forever. It gets harder in the sun. It actually gets baked and harder over time, but what doesn't last is the paper underneath. And now what leads to that paper decaying quicker is cracked tiles. So it's typical that maybe the solar company wasn't careful and there was cracked tiles that evolved, because these houses sure were built with no cracked tiles, right? So cracked tiles we can see occur in sections like this. As what I expected, they sent a roofer out and they only put mastic in the cracked tile section right here. That is a temporary fix. We can see it's already reopening right there. To fix cracked tiles, you actually need to replace that tile completely. There's about 15 to 20 of them on this roof, so it's definitely something that should be of urgency to the homeowner. We can see another one right here. This is the front of the house solar array. We can actually see a tile that's slipping right here, and then you can actually see directly to the underlayment, another cracked tile right here with mastic applied to try and remediate that. Definitely a concern on this roof. The leak that's actually occurring for the homeowner is another cracked tile. Is actually on the back side of the roof, underneath another solar array, which we can see right here. We'll get into that in a second, but as you can see, here's another repair job that was tried to be done, where you can see the mastic was applied. Well, it starts to crack and leaks show up. This is a 1 to 2 year fix. We really need to be replacing tiles like this. Additionally, something that concerned me was we're missing a ridge cap on this section right here. Some more cracked tiles with mastic applied. This tile right here is probably one of the tiles that's giving away to this leak. I'm sure it's leaking on multiple sections underneath this array. But you can see right here where there's a direct entrance where water can get in, and then water gets to the underlayment, you know, pools up and basically comes in the attic, and that's where we're seeing a leak in the homeowner's house. The ridge cap over here I'm concerned about is definitely a concern, because this is missing completely. I don't know where it went. There's supposed to be a cap that comes right here. You can see directly down the wood, the paper right there. I mean, this is just definitely going to be a leak point for a customer. Cracked tile right here, and you can see the underlayment right there. Not a good look, not a good sign right there. Additionally, I don't even know why there would be a cracked tile down here, but there is. And we can see, if we pull this back, underlayment right there, another place for water to get in. Very concerning, because as I'm walking on this tile, I'm not cracking any tile, so it's concerning when this occurred and how it occurred. If we get over to the array, walking down this here, you can see some more cracked tiles. Another cracked tile right there. And then the solar installation, I mean, it's hard to tell if there's cracked tiles under these arrays. I would assume so based on the deduction from the rest of the roof. We can see cracked tiles right here. This is not necessarily a concern because it's still majority covered, but still areas where water could get in. It just shows the workmanship that was done. What are we gonna recommend? We definitely need to replace all these cracked tiles. We'll go over the options with the homeowner. It's a tricky one because we have an active leak. We also have certain areas that are super susceptible as well as that section over there that has the cracked tile. Since we can't really pinpoint exactly where under this solar array this leak is occurring, we're gonna have to take these panels up and actually redo the paper underneath these, replace any damaged wood, and we can reuse the tiles with bringing in replacement tiles to replace any of the bad tiles. You know, this would occur in a section like this, as well as any of the replacement tiles that needed around the roof. But yes, like we can see a slip tile right here where it kind of pulls back from and we can see a nail hole right here. All little things I was trying to remediate for the homeowner. But yes, we'll go over the options. Thank you.